Hello from Tosh Tires. I've got a Peugeot 208 on a 2015 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the service light. It is quite a simple procedure on the Peugeots. I think Peugeots have kept it quite simple when it comes to service resets. I'm just going to show you on this particular model that I'm doing. It is very easy again, and I'll just show it to you now. As you can see right there, that's the service light. That's the spanner light. If I switch the ignition off, start the car up, as you can see there, it says 5,350 miles exceeded. So that's quite a lot. To do it, it's simple. You got to press hold this button at the same time, switch the ignition on. Just going to do that. Right now that I've got an extra hand, so I'm going to show you how it's done. So I need to press, switch the ignition off, switch the ignition off, press and hold this button, switch the ignition on. As you can see, the countdown's begun. As it gets to 0, you'll see in the middle it will come up with a new display, and on the left hand side service light would go off. That's done. So if I switch the ignition off and then switch the ignition back on, now you can see the spanner light's gone and the service light's gone as well. If I start her up just to make sure it's all done. Now this is the model. If you've got one, that's all you got to do. Right, now that is done, like I said to you, it's quite a simple one. Pretty much on all the Peugeots, this is a Peugeot 208 on a 2015 plate, but pretty much on all the Peugeots, if you've got the little reset button, all you got to do is press hold the button, switch the ignition on, and then countdown begins, and then that would reset the light. Now, for some reason, if the spanner light doesn't go off, or if the service light doesn't go off, then take it to your local garage, get them to have a look at it, and then go from there. But that's it. That's all you got to do on this particular model. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know in the message below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.